है ना? चालू कर
Let's start the match. Jigs on strike. On strike, Shahnawaz. Sanket bowling the first over. Starts with the third ball. Good start by Sanket. White ball.
बहुत चाहिए
Taken a single. And Shahnawaz on strike. 3 runs so far. One more wide. 4 runs. Single taken. 5 balls. Last ball to go of the first over. Last ball calls for a big hit. Sixer. That's a good shot by Jiga. 11 after the first over. 1 over 11 run. Next bowler Sagar Bhai. Full length delivery. Only a single. White ball. Single taken. Gets Shahnawaz on strike. 14 for no loss. After 1.2. Dot ball. Single run. 4 ball 15. 4 ball. Last 2 balls. White ball. Bowling. He got bowled on the very straight ball. He was trying to loft it, missed it completely. Jiga bowled by Sagar Bhai.
is the crucial encounter in terms of cricket titles. To win this match, to book their slot in the top two, where they get two chances. Score 17 runs. Over 17. An easy catch there. Teja for the free. Saurabh Yadav.
तेजा जान मार दी
A single. On the back foot, this is the off turn and it's a dot ball. Great pick up there by Shahnawaz Khan. Long due, his batting was long due. Looks like he's going to play this match. Just as I say, the chance to lose his wicket.
Four.
24. 3 overs 24. All these players have played a lot of cricket with each other. Another white ball. Onto the back foot, almost run out there. Down the ground. Someone has to talk to him. Yes, that's great. Great move there by Shahnawaz. Shot by Shahnawaz Khan. He picked up the gap there. It was a flat six.
Four.
34. 34. Hello. 34.
चार्जिंग नहीं चल रहा है तो डाल दे कल कॉर्ड दे दे कल
Great effort there by Pritesh Pujari. Takes the boundary. White +1. Chance of a 3 run there, but Shanu overran at the bowler end.
High score?
43. 5 over 43. White ball, Pritesh Pujari the next bowler. Slow delivery and meets him in pace, and that's wicket of Shahnawaz Khan. No ball. White delivery there. White ball. Good turn. It's a 6 on the back of wicket. He picks the turn well, and that's a 6 there. White ball, almost 10 runs of that one delivery now. Too many extras. Full toss. Was he taking the catch or throwing the ball? Missed opportunity there by Sagar Bhai. 1 to go. And he continues by it. Another 6 by Sumit. What a great player, what a great lead he's having. After 6 overs, 61 is on the scoreboard. 61. 6 overs, 61. On to the front foot. And a difficult catch there. Very good taken by Sahil Shah. Rikin walks back. The captain, Akash Rathod, walks in for Cricket Titans. Crucial match for them. They need to win it to stay in top 2. They confirm their Sahil Shah. They confirm their berth in the top 2 if they win this match. Down the ground for a single, chance of a run out here, and the throw was somewhere else only. Good backup there by Amit. Down the ground, what a great shot, Akash Rathod. Sumit telling him, why are you wasting your wicket? Singles, where you can hit those big shots. Good thinking there. Trust yourself, you're a good player. Short ball, chance of a catch there. They're coming for a cheeky single. Misses it. Last 2 to go. Off to the back foot, and he is winning that will. Another benchmark 6 by Sumit. On to the back foot, chance, last ball, can they go for 2 runs? Yes, they are.
Out of
75 scored, 76 to win. 76. Request Team Mudra and Team Bhumi come for toss. Team Mudra, Team Bhumi Reality, please come for the toss. Hardik Mehta will be doing the toss in the presentation area. Next match, Bhumi and Mudra. Start the match. Yeah, what change here? Pawan Chuk bowling this match. And they can do these changes as they're in a very comfortable position. Pawan is also a great bowler. Good chance to shine here. On to the backboard to the offside for a single only. Short ball with a straight mark 6. Rupesh Yadav. The leg lift 6. Another single, great shot there. Sensible batting, single after the 6. So we have the toss between Mudra and Bhumi. Mudra won the toss and elected to bowl first. Good shot there by Amit Bhai. Another shot down the ground and sets a big gap there with a flat 6. What a great shot by Rupesh Yadav. Another team here who's ready to hurt the champions who are on top right now. 16 after 1 over.
मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया
Viral Bhai back on bowling. He has a knack of taking wickets each match. He's at least taken 2 wickets. Let's see what happens now. Backward. And as I said, he has a knack of taking wickets. And what is this happening? Both at the same end. And it's one out. As I said, Viral Bhai has a knack of taking wickets. He's broken the partnership. Great delivery there. On to the back foot for 6. He is batting well now.
और दो चाहिए ये ओवर में और दो आएगा प्रेशर में बॉलर
A lot of sledging happening now. On to the back foot, another 6. He is a clear for Rupesh Yadav.
मेरा विकेट का वसूल कर
Oh, and a miss hit there. It was an easy dolly ball out there.
इसका ये भी
What a miss hit. Almost a 6, another 6. All written on the ball, but again, as I said, wicket for Viral Bhai. Great batting by Rupesh Yadav, score 29. First ball for Yatin, first ball, here's Joshi, and he's clean bowled him up. Walks in captain Sajil Shah. Needs to play 1 innings for him now. What a great delivery of Joshi. He is bowling really well here. Taking a single there. Direct hit. Would be a close call there, but he's good between the wickets as well. Good length by El Joshi, last 3 balls. Down the ground and no power in it, and it just reaches Tejas. Teja they call him, comfortable catch. Another wicket chance and almost a run out. Oh, and the big wicket of Dhawal could have been gone in the first ball. Full toss. No, they get the wicket. There has to be. Nothing can be done. Sajil. It's just, you can say, bad luck. He hit a shot in the gap. He just sticked it out, hand out, and that was a good grab. Hard luck, Sajil. A great catch there by Rikin. Also, as you see, we are seeing something very unique here. A player not even coming to bat is being sledged. And this can happen only in Legacy League. It's like the first time 11 players are waiting. 31 for 5. Need 45 in 4 overs. So it's like 11 players of the fielding team are waiting for one player to walk in, and there'll be a lot of noise around him. On to the back foot, and an easy catch there. Dhawal Rathod on any other day would have put it for 6 without a doubt, but it's just been their bad day. And as you can see,
45 की 4 ओवर में
also who was getting out is walking out silently, but they are sledging some other batsman who's not even come to bat. I need to see this player. I already guessed it who's this player, but I need to hear the voice when he walks in. Single. Match is not ended here. This is a good batting pair who can finish the match if needed. But it's just a bad day today. Single. Yes, a dot ball. On to the back foot. It was almost. Would have cleaned him up. Last moment his bat comes down. Oh, again the same ball, almost dipping, I will say, after the first ball. Last ball of this over, Dhawal Bhai pulling things back with his experience. Last delivery, left-handed, Dhawal Bhai. So white ball. Down the ground and press forward and one delivery. He's given away 7 runs now. It was a good over, could have ended well. But it's ended well for Bhumi currently, sorry, for GVMN. 18 balls, 36, 5 sixes, and the game is theirs. This is the batting pair that can do it. But you have the icon Akash Rathod taking things in matter now. Short ball, wide delivery. Onto the back foot to the left side. Good throw and a good take there by Akash. They need to play long, they need to play till the end to win this match. Full toss, 6, number 2. Benchmark 6 for They just need 4 more to win this game from here. Onto the back foot. Misfield there, but they don't take a single. Another full toss, another six, benchmark, 6 for
बोला फिनिश कर गया
short ball, chance of a catch there and a misfield goes to the boundary, benchmark 4. They are throwing away the game now. 13 balls, 18 runs. Short ball for a single. Yes, they take the single. 17 in the next 2 overs. As I said, this is the pair that can win them the match, and they're doing that. 17 to win. 17. 2 overs, 17. Now the sledging has started from the other end. The player outside the turf. We'll hear a lot of noise from him. 12 balls, 17. Match is not over yet for both the teams. Full toss and the long legs of Yash Joshi. Reason he's on the boundary. Tall guys can plug those catches. 17 of 11, and we have Saurabh Yadav yet to prove himself in this match, in this tournament with the bat. He's done a lot with the ball. This time he needs to do it with the bat. 17 of 11. Full toss and great fielding there by Akash Rathod. He had almost pushed it to the boundary. Great anticipation and fielding by Akash Rathod. 16 of 10. We need wickets to stop the runs. Full toss and they have made a mess of this. They needed to take this catch. Game would have been a little bit in their favor. Big wicket of Ritesh. Another great shot and pass, and he does not miss it this time. He takes a good catch. If wickets don't go, or wickets keep falling like this, they're not in the game. Saurabh Yadav. Saurabh Yadav. 8 ball 15. Okay, I understood the player name is Nakaba. There it is, pressure building, pressure building. It's now on to Pritesh to win this match for GBMM along with Sagar. Full toss onto the offside and they don't take a single. End of over number 6. Last over needs 15 runs. There's 2 wickets. 15 runs. 15, 2 विकेट बाकी है. टाइमर आपको 1 बॉल डालना है. आपको 1 बॉल डालना है. टाइमर हो जाएगा. Dot ball. आज बॉल 15. Wide and +1. It's wide +1. It's 13 of 5. 1-6 will win the game from here. 5 balls 13. And it's 4 balls 13 now. It's going really very well. Pajaji is a good bowler. This is a good contest against Pritesh. On to the bat for 3 balls 13. 2 balls have to go for 6 from here. 3. Down the ground and he's out. That is match. Match done. As I said, you'll come to know who is that player when you watch him. And that is Sanket Nakamo. First time, the owner themselves calling him Nakamo. Match is not over yet. It's 13 of 2. Still a chance of a tie. 13 of 2. Being slashed by his own owner. And he missed it. Oh my God, what a fight. After the match, he has to run out of the top. I guess he'll not be left alone. 1 ball, 13 runs. And they have won the tournament. That is their feel just because Sanket is out. That is won thereby. Cricket Titans, they are in the top 2 now.